elements of a good LinkedIn post. In the previous video, I talked to you about hooks. Now I'm going to share with you images, right? So I've actually opened up a couple LinkedIn profiles. And just if you don't know this, the goal of the image is to stop the scroll. So basically when people take on their phone, and they're looking at their news feed, we want to make sure that they stop the scroll. So the image needs to have that one thing, which is powerful headline, stop the scroll, right? So this one right here, create powerful content in 2 different ways. Okay, this is pretty cool. And he also has the hook. So I'm going to open another one right here. So this one is from Jade right here. So this is type of image that I've noticed does very well. It's a black background, white text. It has who actually wrote it. And then it has all the shares, likes, and things like that. Okay. As you can see, Dan Go, he is one of the people or a coach for entrepreneurs. And he does the same thing when it comes to his imaging. It's just funny. I was talking to you about stop the scroll and look at this. It stopped the scroll. Here is one more, free 25 proven educational hook templates. This one would be a good one. Still this viral content strategy. This one would be a good one as well. This one too definitely stopped me from scrolling. And I like posts from Fatima Khan. I have to say her posts really get my attention because she mixes her image as well as really cool like Instagram updates, things like that. So I really like the way she does this, and she has this profile changes as well. So she uses a lot of the colors that are part of her brand. So these are just some of the images that you can use, but they definitely stop the scroll.